Go. Do we want to turbo it? Do you know the original owner that has the red key? This is my return to YouTube, potentially.
Good morning.
It's an early start. Well, got some travelling to do. How's it going? Well, we have hit the road now. I'm with Amber.
Hi.
And we're driving from Christchurch to Dunedin right now to pick up a new project. We won this at auction. It's a 2022 Yamaha MT07 with a little bit of damage on it. So we're about to find out. Been absolutely sight unseen, so it could be a lemon. But in best case scenario, it's going to be a restoration project. And you guys coming along for the journey. Have a look at the view though, that is beautiful. I think this is Iraqi Boulders, I think, could be wrong. But yeah, we've been up since 2:30, hit the road at 3, and we've got to meet at the Turners Wreckers at 8 o'clock. They're not all normally open, and they're not normally open on weekends, but I had a sweet talk with one of the operators there, and they decided to meet us at 8 AM sharp. So let's get there, let's get this bike sorted out, get it in the ute, and yeah, let's dig into it.
Hi guys.
Well, it looks like we're rocking up to the wrecker's yard now. So she don't know.
No, straight.
Must be this one here, right? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be here. Oh yes. Give him a wee toot. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, and then we go.
We'll pull up, but these guys are bloody awesome, eh? They've helped us out and decided to meet us here at this inconvenient time for them. They're not open on weekends, so Alright, so we are in Oamaru now, on this wee heritage street. Looks quite cool. This is the bike in question. Obviously you can see there's a lot of front end damage, and it was on a pallet when we went to pick it up. So we've lifted it off the pallet, plonked it in the back. Yeah, we've gone from Dunners to Oamaru, and oh, it's a bit overexposed there. Oh, there we go, main, and yeah. Oh, is that zoomed in or zoomed out? Yeah, we'll keep you updated. We'll get it back to the shop and go from there. Sweet as.
Bye guys.
Chew. That was shocking. No, I'm not even trying it. Let's go. Now for the fun part. Unloading. Okay, well, here's our first look. You can definitely see she's been in a bit of a frontal. We've got red paint on here, so I'm wondering if he's hit a vehicle or something. Red paint there, obviously. It is a 2022, so you've got these new funky looking headlights. Not sure I'm a fan of these ones. And obviously stating the obvious, we have some pretty traumatic fork damage and radiator damage by the looks of that. So a buggered radiator, And I did notice down here, that's the issue right there. Big old ding in the rim. Not sure that that's repairable. So at least up for a rim, some forks, and more importantly, if we look here, the frame is untouched. All of this stuff through here looks absolutely mint. First of all, should we see if we've got power? I can see, got a flashing key here. To be honest, I don't know if I'm supposed to do this or not, but we're not going to start it, obviously. Oh, she's in neutral. Got heated grips. Front light. DRL's quick. Not that that matters, we need to do one of those anyway. Got blinker left, blinker right. What about the rear? Yep. The good stuff's working, eh? Stuff to get it back on the road. Sweet. What about stoppies? Oh, yep. Hell yeah. Okay. 17,298 k's on the clock. And what I'm thinking, because it's been on its side for quite some time, we obviously don't want to start it just yet. What we are going to need to do, probably crack into here, but we need to clear the oil, if there is oil in the cylinders, out of the cylinders. I'm not too sure, but I would like to take the spark plugs out, crank it with no spark plugs, and see if any oil comes out so we don't hydrolock the motor right away. So, if I remember correctly, down here, with the bent key. Boom, how about that? It's got all the original Allen keys under here, we toolkit, then we need to undo these two Allen keys, that seat will come up. Right. By the time I'm up the present, I reckon by the end of this video, I'd like to at least be able to crank the vehicle for you. Crank the vehicle. I don't know why I'm calling it the vehicle, doesn't have a name yet. Seat is off. Sweet. Getting right into it. There's plastics here. Oh, those are a bit buggered. Awesome. That being said, if there's any parts that you see here that are broken and you know someone that's got something that'll fit, that'll be sweet. Because off the bat, we haven't done any searching for parts just yet. Actually, I lied. Found some R6 forks for sale, but they were a little bit overpriced, so probably won't go there. Okay. Put these plastics off. We'll come back to you once we once we got the tank off, eh? Okay, didn't pick up the cam for this part. We just cleared, cranked the motor without the spark plugs in. Just to make sure there wasn't any oil in the cylinders. I just was a little bit uncertain because of the amount of time that this has been lying on its side at the wreckers on a pallet. So we just wanted to make sure that it will, that the cylinders weren't full of oil. I'm just applying four-wheel drive knowledge to a bike. Obviously things are different, but we'll chuck this tank back on, and I reckon we'll hear it fire up. Trust the Yamahas, right? Surely it's just that easy. Okay, well, I just put the tank back on. It's the terrifying part. We're just going to see if anything happens. Fuel pump turns on, we're in neutral. No way, we do have a check engine light. So we'll kill it. She started. Oh my god. We're on to a winner. And that is a wrap for this one, guys. It looks like a lemon for some people. I see potential, and I would like to hear from you guys where you might like to see this build go. Now, obviously we want to get this thing ideally back on the road, and if not, it'll be an awesome track bike. But this thing is an awesome example of a terrible looking vehicle, but there's heaps of potential. The frame's good,
Just need some forks, lights, radiator, and we're gonna be ready to rock and roll. Now, I'd like to hear from you guys where you'd like to see this build go. Do we want to turbo it? Do we want to do some other modifications? Do you have links on parts that we can get? Do you know the original owner that has the red key? I want to know. But this is my return to YouTube potentially. But we're also on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. Our business, we actually do all drive modifications and car modifications, fabrication and all sorts. And our business is cliffordsmotorsportnz. That's our website, sorry, our business is Cliffords Motorsport. We do all sorts of stuff. But we're really trying to up our game and get you guys involved with what we do, because that's what we absolutely love. Seeing your guys' reaction to some of the builds and some of the cool stuff that we get to do. Switching it up a bit. But I'm really excited for this one, guys, and I hope you are too. But other than that, see you on the next one.